Dolly Parton is an iconic country music artist, the multi-instrumentalist, songwriter and actress, is the most honored female country performer of all time. Best-selling artist in the genre of country music and the most successful female artist of all time. Her story is a true rag to riches story and an interesting one to read. Many know her from a couple of songs such as I Will Always Love You, Coat of Many Colors, 9 to 5, Jolene, among others. Maybe you know Dolly Parton very well, but do you know how old and tall is she and what is her net worth in 2021? How did Dolly Parton, the queen of country music, find her way to the throne? Not just fame but even wealth as reflected on her net worth figure. If you do not know, we have prepared this article about details of Dolly Parton, short biography, wiki, career, professional life, personal life, 2 days net worth, age, height, weight and more facts. Well, if you are ready, let's start. Early life. Born Dolly Rebecca Parton, she is the fourth daughter out of the 12 children born to Robert Lee Parton, SR and Evie Lee Caroline. She was born in 1946 in the outskirts of Tennessee in an area called Swire Country. The father was a construction worker and the mother of homemaker, meaning they lived in abject poverty even herself. She described the level of poverty through her early songs such as a Coat of Many Colors. Her interest in music manifested itself when she was just 6 years, as she used to sing in church and soon after performing in local television and radio. When she hit 10, she was on a major radio station in Tennessee. After graduation, she moved out of Nashville to write songs with an Uncle Bill honor, where she wrote top charting singles such as Fuel of the Flame and Put It Off Until Tomorrow. Her very first country songs that she recorded were Something Fishy and Dumb Blondie. Age, height and weight. Being born on 19 January 1946, Dolly Parton is 75 years old as of today's date, 10th October 2021. Her height is 1.52 meter tall and weight is 52 kg in kilograms. Personal life. For 54 years now, Parton has been married to Thomas Dean, whom they tied the knot within 1966. Recently in 2016, they renewed their vows during their 50th wedding anniversary. They do not have kids of their own, but Peraton is the godmother of Millie Crest. Career. Peraton career into country music kicked off when she was signed in by RCA Vector label. With the help of Wagoner Home, they released The Last Thing on My Mind and other top 10 signed duets hits for a period of 6 years. Her first solo single was released in 1968, Just Because I Am a Woman, but they did not do so well as her duets on charts, but later on Joshua, Coat of Many Colors, Traveling Man, Touch Your Woman became a top 20 single and performer well commercially. Other songs that Dolly released up to 1975 that did well on top 10 charts are Jolene, I Will Always Love You, Please Do Not Stop Loving Me, and The Bargain Store. As an actor, she has appeared in a number of films and television shows such as Satellite Talk 1992, Miss Congeniality 2, Armed and Fabulous 2005, Janimo and Joliet 2011, Joyful Noise 2012, Jolie Patterson Christmas of Many Colors, Circle of Love 2016, Hannah Montana among many others. Awards and achievements. Peraton is the undisputed champion of accolades among all female country performers of all time. As of today, she has sold more than 100 million records. 26 of her songs have reached number 1 of Billboard country chart. 42 of her country albums have made it in the list of top 20 country albums. With such a profile, it is no wonder that she was won 153 awards in total and has been nominated 413 times. Some of these awards are 9 Grammy Awards, 46 BMI Awards, 24 Cashbox Awards, 11 Academy of Country Music Awards, and many others. She has also been inducted into 15 Halls of Fame, and some of them are Country Music Hall of Fame 1999, Songwriters Hall of Fame 2001, Grammy Hall of Fame, Gospel Music Hall of Fame 2009, Music City Walk of Fame 2009, Country Gospel Music Hall of Fame 2010, and Grammy Hall of Fame. Net worth and salary of Dolly Parton in 2021. As of October 2021, Dolly Parton's net worth amount to $600 million. With sales exceeding 100 million records and having written over 300 songs, most of Dolly Parton's net worth figure arise from music sales. Another source of Dolly Parton's wealth is her acting career, which is believed to have earned her more than $300 million. If Apart from films and music, another net worth fortune boosting income stream is her Dollywood company, which controls and operates Dollywood theme park and water park, Dollywood's Splash Country. Let's also not forget her truth bring in a significant chunk of money that ends up rising Dolly Parton final net worth figure in 2011. Better day to her bright in $34 million. Currently, it is reported Dolly Parton annual earning stand at $37 million.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And